pretty standard cutout, like you've seen the work trucks we usually do. Same exact windshield. When you have the Suburban, the Tahoe, Silverado, Sierra, Escalade, they're all the same cutout. They're all done exactly the same way. These windshields typically are cheaper for you because they mass produce them. They're in everything. Lots of rental cars needed this exact windshield, so that usually drives the price down for you when you're shopping for a window. It's the other ones like
anything with
wires and things like that. The price is usually up because they're not selling as many of them.
Right.
So.
Should be pretty simple. You guys have seen us do very similar glass. Cowling wipers come off. Like we mentioned on the last one, the cowlings get really brittle. This one's already cracked on the driver's side, but just take your time. Don't put any pressure on it. Shouldn't get any work. Or dash. Yeah. The dash. Other than that, side moldings bolt off or unbolt, come off. Cut out the new or old windshield. Cut the new one. Put it in.
And this is one that the weather strippings are actually on the side molding, so we remove them to access the screws underneath. We're gonna get into it. We're ready to cut this thing out. One thing we did notice, this has been replaced before. The windshield stops are cut off. These are actually supposed to go, they're kind of like a house. They go up in a triangle and you set the windshield on, it prevents it from sliding. So this is one of them vehicles that even if we use the cheap stuff, if this was done properly, you wouldn't need blue tape because there's no way for the windshield to slide down on its own. But with these stops gone, it's good that we use a 30-minute glue because that's to save drive away time. So 30 minutes after this glass touches the glue, you're safe to drive away, you're safe to get in an accident. We use the good stuff, but this is what we gotta get around now. Somebody cut off these stops. So we're gonna put you back on the tripod. back over these extractor marks.
Just priming over the existing scratches, that way they don't rust. And up here where you can see where the body filler / Bondo has come loose from the car. That is a face of concentration. Alright guys, so as you can see, the Suburban is done. Put up a little bit of a fight. These ones are typically a little tight in the corners. That's why you saw us do a couple other things you haven't seen us do on the other cars to get it out, but went really well. This one's obviously got the blue shade band across the top like you've heard us talk about in multiple other cars. I personally like it. Other people don't, but it does definitely help with having that shade band across the top. But other than that, this one went really good. We'll see what the next video has in store for us. If you guys can, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one.